first hour of the day. So this is 8 o'clock. Okay, after 8 o'clock, you can see how SPY trades down hard, whereas Tesla's trading flat. Hey guys, so I had a really good day today. I was trading Tesla and watching SPY charts and seeing the correlation there. Tesla had a 3%, as of right now, 3% positive day, but I was actually shorting it and it was my best day ever. So funny how that works out. I really enjoyed today, and I just want to show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's just start off by looking at SPY. So SPY is the S&P 500. We saw the first minute was selling pressure, and then this was like a support, and we broke above a lot of key levels here. So we broke above the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, the 50 50-day moving average, the volume weighted average price, and we even broke above the 200-day moving average. When I saw this happen, it was quite rapid. What I've realized recently is that we have extreme correlation, and today really confirmed for me, extreme correlation, especially in the first hour of the day. Larger cap stocks will follow SPY quite closely, as you can see. But you'll notice that after the first hour of the day, so this is 8 o'clock, okay? After 8 o'clock, you can see how SPY trades down hard, whereas Tesla's trading flat. So I noticed that the charts were reacting faster on SPY as far as selling pressure, and that Tesla was really respecting this volume weighted average price. So that's where I was like, okay, I can't be making trades depending on what SPY is doing anymore because it's not so correlated. But I was noticing the first hour of the day that it was extremely close. Like SPY would be a second ahead of whatever Tesla was doing. And I was also watching the key levels of Tesla's moving averages. The first trade of the day for me, break below this 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart for SPY. And the bottom of this wick was the 5 minute 200-day moving average. So I entered a quick scalp, wrote it down, covered my position, waited. And sorry, all the meanwhile this was happening on SPY, I was watching Tesla, and I was actually trading Tesla. So I wasn't trading SPY. And when we broke below this level here, we were kind of shorting here. So this was above the 9 EMA when this was happening. It's kind of funny how that worked out, but I covered my short when SPY hit its 50-day 5 minute moving average. It's a lot of jumbo mumbo here, but essentially all day what I was doing, or all the first, it's only 9 in the morning, but I was trading, watching the breaks below 9 EMAs and the weakness, and just following that weakness. I got really hesitant around volume weighted average price, not only because Tesla was holding it, but just because that has a tendency to reverse. So like obviously you can see there's many times, 4 times it tried to go above VWAP. There's a highly likelihood that this will continue coming down, like right now it is on SPY, and then Tesla will probably follow. The key takeaway I guess I would like to tell people is that SPY, watch SPY. Have a chart open for SPY while you're trading, because you'll notice the correlation I'm talking about, and it was extremely helpful because when I had moves like the break of the 9 EMA here, it just so happened we had breaks of 9 EMA on the Tesla, right? So I'm trading those moving averages, and somewhat I don't know what my style would be considered, like what it would actually be called technically, but I look for like support resistance levels on the 1 day and just like major areas of resistance and support. And then I look for confirmations on the 1 and 5 minute for breaks below key levels and moving averages, and I trade based on that. I am short bias, it seems. This is only day 11. So anyways, this is the best day I've had my whole 11-day trading career so far. Was actually shorting Tesla, which is funny because it had a really good day today. Positive 3% right now, and I was shorting it and I did really well. It was my best day ever. So shorting or long, you can find a strategy that works for you, and that's really cool. I love the markets, and I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And that's all for today.